Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to run an Angular service when the app starts. And I am going to do this by app initializer method. The reason to use app initializer is because it accepts promises. That's mean your Angular app will wait in the Bootstrap process until the promise is not resolved. So let's begin. As you can see, I have already ng serve command running in this terminal. In the second terminal, I am going to create a new service, ng generate service. Let's name it as server config. As soon as our service is generated, let's head toward it. And inside this service, I am going to create a new function init, and here I am just going to show a console log that this service is running properly. And here in providers section of app.module, I am going to inject this service and also injecting a token app initializer, which will tell that there is a function which is to be executed when the app initializes, and use factory is pointing to that function which will be executed. And here that function is init function, and inside this function I want to call the functions of that service, so that's why it has dependency on server config service. If you are making a HTTP call inside the use factory function, then you will also have to provide HTTP client inside the dependency section. If multi is equal to true, then you can define multiple app initializers. Now it's time to define init function over here, and parameter will be of type server config service, and here I am just going to call the init function of that service. Now let's head toward the browser and let me refresh this page for you, and here we can see that console log service is running. Now as I told you about app initializer that it accepts promises, now we are going to implement it over here. Init function will now return a promise of type boolean, and here we are returning that promise, and here I set the timeout of 5000 ms, which are equal to 5 seconds. After that, this console log will be shown. At the end, set resolve to true. Now inside the browser, let me refresh this page, and here we can see after 5 seconds our service is running and our application is fully loaded. Now our app will wait until the promise is not resolved. This can be useful when you have to fetch the data of a user before the app start. Well, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos.